How to fix Zelle app not working. Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Zelle application is not working, first and foremost try to clear up the cache buildup. In order to do so, tap Open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of Apps. Tap on All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Zelle. Then, firstly for stop, head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. After which, the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem will be solved. If not, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a cellular data or airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. As Zelle is not available for every country and region, make sure that you are not using a VPN to use a Zelle app. In that case, disable your VPN ASAP. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to fix a Zelle app not working. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.